Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to get the Ssense working discount promo code in 2025, then this video is for you. So first website that can help you to get all the coupon codes and promo codes in one page, that is couponfollow.com/site/ssense.com, where you can find most updated coupon codes here. Now you can do is you can find the details. Now the show promo code will help you to get this code revealed, and simply click on copy to copy this entire code, and you can use it whenever you are going to purchase something from the Ssense website. Now the second one is simplycodes.com/store/ssense.com also can help you this to get some exciting deals and discounts. So right now there is no verified code here because they are not running any campaign, but this is some hidden codes that you can use or try that and see which one actually works for you. Now simply click on view code and it will reveal your code, and here it is. Simply click on copy and you can use it when you are going to purchase something. Also you can give the feedback here. Now the third website is the Marie Clara. So when you are on Marie Clara's, let me show you. So when you are on Marie Clara, it's marieclara.co.uk/vouchers/ssense.com. This website also can help you to get this discount on Ssense. So here you can see the details about the discounts, and here is the expiry date. So make sure that you have redeemed this discount code or the discount, grab this discount before this expiry date. Now simply click on get discount here. So it is saying that no code is needed, so you can go to the Ssense and you can use this affiliate link that is embedded with this button here. So you can simply click on it and you will be able to purchase anything from here with the discount. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.